Guys, this is Jonathan Lambert with the Mathematics Development and Support Service at the National College of Ireland. And this video, another in our series on Excel basics, is going to concentrate on the function called write. Okay, the write function in Excel. Okay, this function basically allows us to return, once we've got a string of characters, it allows us to return a substring from this string. Okay, based off how many characters from the right hand side of the string. Okay, so for example, here's a string here, Jennifer Conroy. If I wanted to return the word Conroy, okay, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 characters. Yeah, that represents 6 characters from the right hand side of this particular string. So for example, if I want to return the word Conroy, okay, in this case, it'll be equal to, I'll go into function mode, write or IGHT, followed by open round brace. We specify the search string to search the text, in this case Jennifer Conroy. And I know Conroy, the word Conroy, is 8 characters long, so I need to extract from that word Jennifer Conroy 8 characters from the right hand side. So I hit comma and I specify the number of characters, in this case 8, and that extracts, well, you can actually see, it's less than 8 characters. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 6 characters. So actually that should be 6 here. Okay. Where, how did I count 8? That should be 6. Conroy is 6 characters long. So 6 characters from the right hand side of the string Jennifer Conroy should return Conroy, which it does. The next string, if I want to extract the word ward, okay, well that's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 characters from the right. So it's RIGHT, followed by an open round brace. We specify the string to search, in this case the string Christine Ward, and I want to extract 4 characters from the right hand side. Okay, and we continue in that fashion. Now the only problem with this particular technique is that it's dependent on how many characters how many characters we extract from the right hand side of the string. Now for all of these names that I have listed here, some words have 1, 2, some words have 6 characters, some surnames have 6 characters, some have 5, 6, 4, and 2, 4, 6, 7, and so on. Yeah, okay. So I want to extract all of the surnames or the last names. Okay, but I don't want to have to keep putting in each time how many characters I want to extract. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a number of other functions, yeah, to help us to find these demarcation points. You can see that there's a space between the first word and the second word in each of these strings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just find the position, okay, of this space using the find function. So I'm going to say this is equal to find, okay, oops, let's use uppercase so it's a bit clearer. I'm going to use find. The text I want to find is a space, so I'll put the space in quotes, so open quote, space, close quote. And I want to find the index of a space within this particular text here. Okay? So if I close that off, it says 9. So with respect to Jennifer Conroy, the space is at position 9. Okay, now let's think about it. The space is at position 9, so it's 9 characters from the left. So if we knew the length of the string, and if I take 9 characters away from it, that should give me how many characters remain. So actually, and that will be how many characters we need to calculate from the right hand side. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to calculate the length of this string. We've done this particular function in a previous video, which uses the length function. So I'm going to say len, open round brace. I'm going to calculate the length of Jennifer. Okay, Jennifer Conroy is a string, which you see it's of length 15. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. So I can see Jennifer, the word Conroy is of length 6, okay, which happens to be 9 taken away from 15. 15 minus 9 gives us 6. Okay, let's see the next. What about the next one? Okay, the space is at position 10. Okay, the space is at position 10. What's the length of the string? Well, the length of the string is 14. So 14 minus 10 gives us 4, which is how many characters the word word is made up from. Okay, so to actually calculate the right hand side of a string, irrespective of the length of the string, but that where we know a demarcation point that splits the left from the right hand side, we'll use the write function, or IGHT. The string I want to search is text. The text string I want to search is Jennifer Conroy, or C4 in this case. The number of characters that I want to take out from the right hand side is the length of the string minus the position of the demarcator or the delimiter, in this case is space. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'll hit return there and it gives me Conroy. Okay, let me just apply define all the way down this particular column. Okay, and let me define the length all the way down this particular column here. Okay, so what we have here is we have different positions, okay, of the spaces. Okay, they're at different positions. Okay, and the lengths of the strings are all different. Okay, so if I take find away from length, it gives me the number of characters that are to the right hand side of the space. Okay, so let me apply this all the way down. The right, if I apply it all the way down, well, what that gives us is all the surnames. Okay, so this particular example, a trivial example, okay, in the sense that the string is well defined in relation to, there's only two parts, there's the first name and the last name. Okay, I know the demarcation symbol, it's a space, so once I know the demarcation symbol I can find its position. I know the length of the string, so if I take away the position of the demarcator or the delimiter, the length of the string, that tells me how many characters are to the right hand side. And once I have that figured out, well then I can specify the text string, okay, and then I can specify how many characters from the right hand side we would like to extract from the text string using the write function. Okay guys, once again this was Jonathan Lambert with the Mathematics Development and Support Service at the National College of Ireland. And I hope this video was some way intuitive and helpful. Okay, so thanks for your time.